And now taking a look at some news out of Caswell County, North Carolina. A Superior Court judge has signed a temporary restraining order against a club, and that's after complaints by law enforcement officials. Caswell County Superior Court Judge John Morris signed the temporary restraining order for a Chapter 19 nuisance abatement action against the owners and operators of NV Lounge, which is located at 510 Nunley Road in Pelham. According to a news release from the North Carolina Department of Public Safety, the temporary restraining order is the initial step in a civil nuisance abatement case brought by the district attorney on behalf of the state of North Carolina. Chapter 19 of the North Carolina General Statutes defines nuisance activities and provides for a civil remedy to abate criminal acts. Now, the investigation began with a collaborative decision between the sheriff of Caswell County and county officials. In the news release, Caswell County Sheriff Tony Durden said for years the location has served, in his words, as a hotspot for criminal activity, constantly draining law enforcement resources, negatively impacting the community, and fostering criminal behavior. He went on to say they are hopeful to work with all parties involved to abate this nuisance and return peace to the community. According to the news release, on Saturday, April the 27th, agents from ALE, or the North Carolina Alcohol Law Enforcement, and members of the Caswell County Sheriff's Office executed a search warrant at NV Lounge, which was operating as an adult entertainment club. The search warrant resulted in the seizure of 10 firearms, one of which was stolen. ALE charged several individuals with multiple felonies and misdemeanors. Officials allege that during the investigation, controlled substances and alcohol violations were taking place at the business. Now, the investigation is ongoing. The news release said that information gathered for the lawsuit thus far has been a joint effort between the Caswell County Sheriff's Office, the District Attorney's Office, and members of the North Carolina ALE's Nuisance Abatement Team.